Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be about my top 5 most used small leather goods, or better known as SLGs. So I'm going to just jump right into it. The very first SLG that I'm going to show you is this one here, my Louis Vuitton key pouch in the Damier bin. Now, for those of you who've been on my channel since the beginning, you'll know that I used to store my keys in this tiny little microfiber dust pouch, or like cloth pouch with a drawstring that I got from J. Crew. I had purchased a necklace for my daughter, and when she pulled the necklace out, I kept the little pouch because I thought it would be really soft and nice to store my keys in, and primarily it is so that the keys will not scratch the inside of my leather handbags, especially leather lined bags, right? So that was the thinking, and I thought I'm not going to spend money on a key pouch, but I have had to eat my words since then because this is my daily companion. I use this key pouch all the time. It's not only just good for keys, like I've got my keys in here, but sometimes I put my cards and some cash too if I want to go out and just have really nothing with me, just this and my phone. Super handy dandy if I'm not going far, if I'm just running out for a quick errand. So yeah, a few cards and cash definitely fits in here along with the keys, and it's just really compact. I don't have car keys here. I don't have a car. I live in Manhattan and we walk everywhere. But if you have a large set of card keys, then that might be something that would be a little bulky for this. If you don't want to pay the price for a Louis Vuitton key pouch, wow, the sirens are really out this morning. Okay. If you don't want to pay the price for a Louis Vuitton key pouch, there are other alternatives, and I've done several videos. None of this is sponsored, by the way. I just want to show you some options. This one is the Royce leather key pouch. Essentially, almost the same in terms of shape, size, and design with the zipper. And then there's an attached key ring. Same with this one from Dress Up Your Purse. It has this beautiful rainbow iridescent effect. This is actually lambskin. So in terms of pricing, I think this is like $49 or somewhere around there. And then this one is about, well, I got it at about $20 or $25, but I think the original price is maybe $40 as well, around 40s. I have promo codes in the description box if you want to take a look. Again, not sponsored, but you can save some money if you decide to shop. This one here, also very, very similar to the Louis Vuitton one if you're looking for an alternative. So these right now have my extra cards, but this is what I use every day for my keys, and I really, really do love this little one. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is my card holder. In fact, I've got 3. So these are the 3 card holders that I have that I use interchangeably. Now this one here, you probably have seen many times. This is vintage. It's quite old now. My husband got this for me many, many, many years ago. I think we were either dating or engaged or just freshly married. I can't remember. But it's really holding up quite nicely. It's really pretty. It's got 1 slot in the front and then 2 in the back. I love the Chanel card holders because of their configuration. They all have 1 in the front, 2 in the back. I've got some stuff here at the moment. This is the red camellia one that I won as part of a giveaway a couple of years ago. So this one's really special. And then I've got this one that I ordered pretty recently from Fashion File because I wanted to test out the patent leather from Chanel, and it's also the So Black, chevron. They're all pretty pliable. They hold a good amount. They all have the main compartments in the middle for cash, and you certainly don't need 3 card holders, but I do think that having 1 is, I hate to say it's a must, but for me it's a must because I don't use traditional wallets anymore, hardly. I don't feel like I need to carry much with me. I don't really carry around cash that much. With Apple Pay on your phone and credit cards, I just feel like card holders are much more compact, and they're really great for mini bags because they don't take up a lot of space. So highly recommend getting a card holder. I do like the Chanel ones. I think they're really soft, pliable, and very nicely designed. And this one is a true testament to how it holds up because, like I said, vintage. This one has a bit of wear in the corners, but other than that, also holding up really well. Beautiful pop of red, right? And then this one is pretty new to me from Fashion File in excellent condition. Okay, let's move on. The next thing, you might be surprised. You might be really surprised. Dun, 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 dun. So this is the Louis Vuitton Cosmetic pouch in the PM size. I had ordered the GM size as well and then promptly returned it because I don't know, the size didn't work for me. It was larger, but it didn't fit that much more because of the tapering, and it just was wonky. This one too, I was kind of like, oh, it's so pretty. I love the half moon shape. I love the silhouette. It has kind of like a vintage look to it. I don't know why, the shape. Beautiful vachetta tabs on the side. This one is a made in France piece. I keep all of my regular kind of daily makeup in here. And I didn't think I would love it that much because of the tapering. I thought sometimes, I had showed this in other videos where I compared this with the Toiletry 19. Sometimes when I zip it up, it gets really wonky here, like wavy, because it's too packed. But now I have sort of mastered the number of items that can go in and how they can go in. So it's got the wipeable interior. I really like this. I use this every day. Every morning I wake up and I use not all of this makeup, but like this I don't use every day. This is Hourglass bronzer, so I'll use that once in a while. Concealer from NARS. Barely use that once in a while unless I'm going somewhere. And then this is the Chanel blush. The ones that I do use every day, let's see, this is Bare Minerals powder with the brush. And then, oh, what is this? Oh, this is the, what is this? As you can see, I'm not wearing this every day. Oh, this is eyeliner. I don't use that every day either, so it's not really my everyday makeup. So my everyday, this is my everyday. So every day I wake up, wash my face, put moisturizer, put sunblock, put tinted moisturizer from Laura Mercier. I had talked about that in another video. And then I do my eyebrows, Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. And I might need to tweeze a little bit if it's been a while. This is it. This is my makeup. This is what I do. And then I'll just bring a little lip gloss or lipstick with me in my bag. But this is what it looks like. But on evenings or if I'm going out, this has everything in it that I need for my makeup. So it's a good size for me. If you wear a lot more makeup or you like to have different color palettes, this will be kind of small, but I like it. And I literally use this every single day. See, that looks wonky, but I can fix it. Yeah, I'm really surprised by how much I'm tolerating this and how much I still enjoy it. There you go. And someone had asked a while back about the corners getting worn. What is all this? But the corners are not worn, probably because I just leave it on my vanity. I don't take this with me really, unless I'm traveling. So it's not like I throw this into a handbag every day because I don't reapply my makeup. So the corners are fine. They're not worn at all. This looks pretty new. Okay, moving on. Of course, I have to show you my mini pochette. Again, Louis Vuitton Damier bin, made in France. Love this. Got a bunch of like bits and bobs in here. I think one of these pouches, again, this I thought was so hyped and not worth it, but I can see why everybody loves this so much. I've had this now for a little while, and I really love this little thing. It's so handy to catch everything. And if not for this one, sometimes I interchange with the Chanel Mini O case. They're very similar in size, except this one is very slim. I did do a comparison of these two, so I'll try to link that up above. So if I'm using a smaller bag, I might gravitate towards this one because it takes up a little less space. But either one. You probably don't need both. I love both of these. If I could only have one, I'd probably choose the mini pochette. Yeah. I also love the tactile sensation of the canvas and the chain and the pop of red on the Damier bin. Yeah, it's a really, really cute item. So definitely a little mini pochette. And then the last item, you may also be surprised, is this Louis Vuitton, so much Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton coin purse. This was the 2019 Christmas animation, I think. Yes, I think it was 2019. The same year that I went to Italy with my daughter, and we happened to stop over in Venice, and this is little Vivian on a gondola in Venice, so it kind of sparks those memories of my trip with my daughter. And the reason why I use this all the time is because I'm still very old school, and I have my old school Apple earbuds on a wire. that go in here, and because I use this to listen to music and podcasts and all of that, I use this a lot. And I know some people worried about the animation rubbing off or chipping off, but I've had this for a couple years now, and I think it looks brand new. There's no wear on it whatsoever, so it's holding up really well. Has a beautiful pop of blue on the inside. And yeah, so I do use it. A lot of people say, why don't you get the AirPods? I don't like the AirPods. I don't want them falling out of my ears. I don't want to lose them. I feel like these earbuds barely stay in. My ear holes are really, I guess they have a funny shape, or they're I don't know. They don't hold earbuds very well. They're very like shallow. So I do like this a lot. Yeah, that's it basically. So these are the 5 types of SLGs that I wanted to show you that I really, really do enjoy and get a lot of use out of. So if you were on the fence, then maybe this will help you take the leap, because I personally do recommend them. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.